Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure.
What up, YouTube? It's your girl Destinee, and as you can tell, half of my makeup is done and the other half I'm gonna show you. So please stay tuned if you're interested. The first thing that I'm gonna do is my brows. Okay, after you're finished filling in your eyebrow, go in with your concealer. I'm using Laura Mercier Concealer Flawless Fusion. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. If you guys mess up or you need to angle your wing a different way, no problem, just use your concealer and get an angle brush. The concealer will act as an eraser. I'm gonna use this Sephora brown lip liner. Y'all, what kind of lip liner do you guys use? Because I have a whole bunch and I don't like any of them because I feel like it gives me this like red undertone. So if you guys have a true brown lip liner, please let me know. Okay, then go in with any lip gloss of your preference. And with that same lip gloss, I'm going to place some on my hand and use a brush, a clean brush, because if it's not clean, it will come out a different color. Pat on the lip gloss on your lid. And I'm outlining mine like a cut crease. I'm going in with the Smashbox 15-hour wear hydration. I'm gonna use my other foundation in Cover Fix. Okay, once you have your foundation on, you go in with your concealer. I try to pat first. I like to pat it in and then rub. Okay, after that, I'm going in with my Fenty and contour. And I'm going to blend it out with that same brush. Okay, after that, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Oil Control Setting Spray. And just spray a little bit. And then after that, use your powder brush and dip into your highlighter. I'm using Profusion Contour palette. Put some on that. This is the finished look. I applied my lag off camera. But this is a really cute look, simple. Yeah, if you're trying to look like an Insta Baddie or whatever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you. But that's you, they do me, go do you. You cannot kill me.